Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherikao Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I am going to the market for makers today, and I'm just going to make a quick pair of earrings to wear when I go there. So I just wanted to show you how easy and quick it is to make a pair of earrings with my shape templates and some material that will work with, that you can easily cut. So I'm going to show you my workspace. So what I have here is one of my shape templates. I have a set of 10 pieces. This is the 5-inch template that I use to make a long teardrop earring. It's my favorite size to use. And then I have a pair of the earring hooks that I like to use, the pendant clasp ear hooks. So, and this is a hole cutter that I use, and a pair of sharp scissors. And the star of the show is this piece of lizard material that I got from Tandy Leather. This piece cost $19, which is a little expensive for, a small piece of leather, but I like the bling. I love the bling. The bling will get me every time. So let me show you if I can. This is so tiny. But you can see it says Lizard Assorted Metallic, and it's from Argentina. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my lizard over, and I'm going to decide what part of it I want to cut. So I'm going to cut right here in the middle. This must have been like the head part. Yeah, this was the head, and this was the tail. He was a big lizard. Well, we're in Florida, so we've got big lizards, big crawling things around here. Little crawling things and big crawling things. So I'm just going to place my template right here. Get my Sharpie. Sharpie's going to be pretty easy on this. Going to trace one. Going to trace number 2. And then I'm going to cut. Okay. All right. And this is in real time. I normally, if my video is going to be long, I would speed up the cutting part if I had a lot of cutting to do. But this is in real time, just to show you how quickly this beautiful pair of earrings is gonna be made. And those of you who sell, and that's most of my audience, you know that a pair of earrings like this you can sell for $15 to $25. So that's just one. Ha ha, look at that. Woohoo! Okay, let me do the other one real quick. Oops, I don't want to lose my piece here. So, isn't this lizard fabulous? And they have it in other colors, but if I go back and look at the lizard, I might look at some other colors. But gold for me it's like a basic. It's like a staple. Gotta have some gold. Gotta have some gold. It's the bling for me. The longer I live, the more bling I like. Okay, so I got my 2 pieces cut. And I'll lay that aside. Can you believe we are almost done? Now, if I wanted to, I could paint this inside gold, but you're not going to see that very much. You're going to have to really be looking to see that. So I'm just going to snip that little sharp part off there. And then I'm going to make my hole. I'm going to fold it like this because this is going to be my teardrop. I'm going to make my hole just like that. Just that easy. Take my ear hook, put it in there, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Oh, I need a pair of flat nose pliers, but I'm gonna squeeze it with my fingers, and then I'm gonna grab a pair of flat nose pliers, and well, I might have to grab the pliers now, because normally I can squeeze this with my finger, but let me get the pliers. Well, this is not flat nose, but it might help me. I'm just gonna press it down. Yeah, that's helping. That's helping. Now I got it pressed down a little bit. I can press it a little more with my fingers, and then let me just squeeze. There. Okay, that's one pair, one half of a pair. One earring made. And now the other one, I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make my ear hole. Just like that. And then place it right there. And then I'm gonna close it down, press it down. And then I'm gonna press it again so I could really have it closed securely. And that's it. Straighten that out a little bit. I have my pair of earrings that I'm gonna wear today. So I'll go ahead and put them on. Okay, I am done. Gonna put my earrings on. And I am ready to go to the markets for makers. Oh, you can see the inside. But you know what? I'm not going to worry about that right now. But when I get back, I'll probably paint the inside gold. But aren't they cute? Quick and easy, different. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed. Now, in just a few minutes, when I get to the Market for Makers, I'm going to go live there so you can see all the fabulousness that I expect to see there. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.